Hi viewers, welcome to GMATI Max. In this video, we are going to see 7th problem in exercise 3.6. Okay, see the 7th one. Pari needs 4 hours to complete a work. Yuvan needs 6 hours to complete the same work. How long will be taken to complete if they work together? Okay, so here Pari needs 4 hours to complete a work. Okay, so here first we have to take the time taken. Time taken by Pari to complete a work. What is given? How many hours he will take? 4 hours. Okay, then time taken by Yuvan to complete the same work. To complete the same work equal to 6 hours. Okay, then now we have to find out what is Pari's 1 hour work. Pari takes to complete a work, given work in 4 hours. Okay, what is his 1 hour work? So Pari's 1 hour work. 1 hour work equal to, here whole work is complete by 4 hours. So 1 hour work should be 1/4 of the work. In 1 hour he will finish 1/4 of the work. And then Yuvan's 1 hour work. What is Yuvan's 1 hour work? He will take to complete a work in 6 hours. So what is his 1 hour work? That is 1/6 of the work will be completed by Yuvan in 1 hour. Okay, so now we have to find out Pari and Yuvan, or we can write both of them. Both together, both of them will complete a work in 1 hour. Both of them, can write both of them will complete a work in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many works they will finish? See here, 1 hour's work. Pari's 1 hour work is 1/4 work, 1/4 work, and Yuvan's 1 hour work is 1/6 work. Both of them will complete a work in 1 hour equal to 1/4 plus 1/6. So now we have to find out the LCM of this 1/4 and 1/6. Here 6 and 4, you have to find the LCM. 3 2s are 2 2s are, so 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So our LCM is 12. Then here you have to multiply this 1/3, because in 12 3 4s are there. So 1 into 3 is 3. Here 2 6 are there. So 1 into 2 is 2. So 5/12. So both of them will take to complete a work in 1 hour equal to how many work they will complete? 5/12. That is 5/12 part of work they will complete. Okay. So total part of the work complete by both of them in 1 hour. In 1 hour equal to 5/12. So what is the question? How long will be taken to complete if they work together? So time taken to complete the work if they work together. How long? In 1 hour they will complete 5/12 part of the work. So total time, if they finish the work, means how many hours they will take. Okay, that is the reciprocal of this 1 hour work, reciprocal of their 1 hour work. So it is nothing but 12/5 hour. Okay, so here 2 5s are 10, balance 2, so 2/5 hour. This much time they will take while they work together, they will take to complete the given work. Okay, 2 hour and 2/5 hour. So here you can write 2 hour. Then 2/5 hour you have to write it in minutes, means here 2/5 hour. In for 1 hour 60 minutes is there. So 1 5 is 5, 12 5s are 60, 2 12s are 24. So 24 minutes. So if they work together, they will take to complete the work in 2 hours 24 minutes. See the 8th question. Inia bought 50 kg of fruits. What are the fruits she bought? Apple and banana. She paid twice as much per kg for the apple as she did for the banana. If Inia bought rupees 1800 worth of apple and rupees 600 worth banana, then how many kilograms of each fruit did she buy? We don't know how many kilograms did she bought. Okay, so that first you have to take let X be the weight. Let X be the weight and P be the price of an apple, because we don't know about the weight of the apple, what she bought, and what is the price of an apple. Okay, so that X be the weight and P be the price, and let Y be the weight and Q be the price of banana. Okay, so now Inia bought 50 kg, 50 kilogram of fruits. Okay, so 50 kilogram. Here we have taken X kilogram, here Y kilogram, X kilogram of apple and Y kilogram of banana she bought. What we have taken like that. So here this Inia bought 50 kg of fruits is given in the question. So that from that information, X kilogram is the weight of apple and Y kilogram is the weight of banana. Both total weight is equal to 50 kilogram. 50 kilogram of fruits she bought. Okay, so this is the first equation we can take. And for the next one, here what they have given, she paid twice as much per kg for the apple as she did for the banana. பனானாக்கு எவ்வளோ ரூபா கொடுத்தாங்களோ அதே அளவு 2 times 2 மடங்கு அவங்க ஆப்பிளுக்கு கொடுக்குறாங்க. அப்போ what is that value? What is the price of an apple? We have taken as P. The price of the banana is Q. Okay, so here she paid twice as much per kg for the apple. Twice for the apple as she did for the banana. அப்போ ஆப்பிளுக்கு என்ன விலை கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா பனானாக்கு என்ன கொடுத்தாங்களோ அதோட twice 2 times. பனானாவோட price நம்ம Qன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம். So twice of banana's price give equal to apple's price. Okay, this is the second information they are given in the question. And then if Inia bought rupees 1800 worth of apple, so we have taken the price of apple is P and how many weight she bought? X kilogram of weight. Okay, X kilogram she bought and the price is P. So while you multiply PX equal to how many rupees? 1800, because Inia bought 1800 worth of apple. How many kilos? We don't know. That is we have taken as X kilo. x kilogram. That value, the price of the apple is P. So while you multiply, it should be equal to 1800. Like the same, here 600 rupees they will give worth of banana. They will buy, she bought, Inia bought 600 rupees, okay, for banana. So that here the price of the banana is Q, and how many kilos she bought? We have taken as Y. So Qy equal to 600. So this one we can take it as 3, third one, this is the fourth one. Okay, so now from this 2, we have to substitute 2 in 3. This 3 gives, you have to substitute the P value in the third equation. So instead of this, in the place of P, we have to substitute 2Q. So 2Qx equal to 1800. So here what will come? If we want Q is equal to 1800 by this 2x is in multiplication, while it transposes to the other side becomes division. So 2x. 1 2 is 2, 9 2s are, so here 900 by x. So we have Q equal to 900 by x. So you have to substitute this in here. In fourth equation we have Q. So in this place you have to substitute the value of x here, Q here. So substitute this value in fourth equation. Fourth equation gives Q into Y. So in the place of Q you have to substitute 900 by x into Y equal to 600. So now here Y by x you can write as it is 600. Transpose this 900 to the other side, becomes here division. So here 2 3s are, here 9 3s are. So what we can have? Y by x equal to 2 by 3. We want x or y. For that we can transpose this x alone to the other side. So y equal to 2x by 3. Okay. So here substitute this one in the first equation, because in only first equation only we have used, we can have a x and y. So in the place here x plus y equal to 50. This is the first equation. So here x plus, in the place of y you have to substitute this 2x by 3 equal to 50. Then you have to take the LCM. 3 into x, 3x plus 2x equal to 50. Transpose this 3 to the other side. So 5x equal to 150. So implies x equal to 150 by 5. 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are. So x equal to 30. What is x? We have taken x be the weight of the apple what she bought. Okay. So 30 kilogram of apple Inia bought. Okay. And then next one is you have to substitute this x equal to 30 in the same equation in one first equation is x plus y equal to 50. Substitute x value plus y equal to 50. Therefore y equal to 50. This 30 you have to transpose to the other side, becomes 20. So y equal to 20. So y is nothing but the weight of the banana what she bought. Okay. So we have that only they have asked in the question, how many kgs, how many kilograms of each fruit did she buy. Okay. So that you can write therefore Inia bought 30 kilogram of apple and 20 kilogram of banana. I hope you have understood this two problems, 7th and 8th problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.